driving the 85 and the 70, and the cop gets behind us, trails us for like a good 20 seconds, pulls us over, and tells us we're driving too slow. What's up YouTube, it's JT Cherry back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to Mobile to look at the C8 Corvette. It's supposed to have a small event honoring the new C8. It just kind of came out. I've never seen one personally, but it's kind of like a small reveal party for anybody who hasn't seen it, and I'm so excited to see it. I'm going with my friend Chris, who drives this 2011 WRX. I will link his YouTube channel down in the description, so check his YouTube channel out. Also, I will put his Snapchat up, and hopefully it's better than it looks in person. Usually I see reveals of cars and they look better in person. I personally don't like the Supra. It came out around the same time the C8 did, and it just doesn't satisfy my taste for what the Supra should be. I'm a fan of it, I love how it sounds, but hopefully the C8 is a little bit better. It's not my taste of a car, but it should be a more exclusive car, I would say, than the Supra is. But I'll see y'all whenever we get there, and I'll keep y'all updated.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
So we were just driving going like 80, 85 on the interstate on the way to Mobile.
It was a 70.
And in a 70, 85 and a 70, and the cop gets behind us, trails us for like a good 20 seconds, pulls us over and tells us we're driving too slow, and then proceeds to trail us again and then shoot past us. And now he's going 90 in a 70, and
I mean, this is Alabama. You never.
Alabama people just built
How about
different.
just quote what he's saying? If you under Alabama and you're not going fast, you gotta be in the right lane, because the left lane is like for passing traffic.
The moral of the story is, don't buy a Supra, because no matter what, you always gonna be slow. You ain't never gonna be fast, and whenever you are fast, you're gonna end up blowing the motor.
Yeah, it be like that sometimes.
It be like that.
You either win the race or blow a head gasket.
Facts. All right, back to the video.
Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we fall.
So I guess this is where you get a Corvette.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's the only thing you see here, Corvettes.
Corvettes and trucks.
Yeah, like, just change the name to Corvette. Include the flags.
Yeah, they probably got a whole bunch of New Balance in here and white polos.
Mm-hmm.
So we finally made it here. It's the reveal of the C8 Corvette. I honestly don't know anything about it other than it's mid-engine. Clean. Your time's past due, son.
I don't think that's a Supra. It's more like a
This is a Z4, man.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Aftermarket headlights.
But I was just talking about the Mark V. Comment below which one do you think look better? If not, which one do you think you would own? I'd definitely much rather own a Corvette, and I'm more of an import guy myself. It just looks better. It seems like something's missing from the Supra.
It might be. I'll say the back end of it.
I like the rear end better than the front end. The front end looks like, I don't know. It just seems like it's missing something. It's sad that I'm going up to a Supra saying I'm not a fan of this. Let's look at more Corvettes. I can't stop smiling every time I look at this car. All in all, I think I give this car a 10 out of 10. It is definitely more appealing than any other car I've seen this year that's new, and it just looks amazing. Even compared to the Mark V Supra. The Mark V Supra was kind of overhyped compared to this car, and it seems like the Supra kind of got more hype just because of its name rather than the actual car and what it could have been rather than what it is. But this car is definitely a head turner, and I definitely would love to own one of these cars right here one day. But thanks for watching the video, and y'all have a good day.